Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace our M buttons with the faster red ones. First, let's disconnect the battery. Okay, to get to our battery, it's right here. Piece of cake. Our negative terminal is down here. We need a 10mm socket or wrench, so we'll get that. We'll put something here so we make sure we don't accidentally lock the trunk with no power. Alright, now we got to pop off the airbag. There are some holes on either side here that you need a screwdriver. It doesn't have to be a Torx bit, but as long as it'll fit in the hole. There's a spring on each side that we should be able to pop the airbag out. There, that side's out. And there we go. Now we just have to undo the master plug. Not all three of these ones, but there is a master plug there. When you pinch this, it'll come out. So put that aside somewhere nice and safe. Alright, we got our Torx screwdriver. There are 2 screws to get this trim piece off, and a third one in the bottom here. So we'll start with the bottom. Now we have to get this off, but our shifter is in the way. It should be this screw right here. So we'll try and take that off next. Now that that's off, we can get to the screw, which is hidden in here. A little tricky to get at with one hand. There we go. Okay, all disconnected. We should be able to pull this off. There we go. There is a harness here, and we got 3 Phillips screws we got to undo first. Okay, so here's the buttons here. We'll start with M1. You can see on the back here there are 2 tabs that retain it, here and here. So those 2 tabs we need to very carefully. I'm just going to put some pressure on it from the outside. And gently pry the tabs open. There we go. Just like that. And then carefully slide the new ones in the same spot. Okay, it's in. It's one down. There we go. It's going to automatically make the car faster. Alright guys, we did it. As you can see, a pretty simple install. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any suggestions, questions, also let me know in the comments below. If you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with all the Don's Life updates. And we'll talk to you soon.